Hey guys, welcome back to your best lessons. In today's video, I'll be giving you 2 licks you can apply to a praise groove bass line. Okay, I also do private class lesson. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below or in the description below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Song and be able to groove or practice with the song, there's a link that will pop over here. When you see the pop-up, you just click on that. It will take you direct to where the song is. Then you can download the song for free. Okay, so let's understand the song. Okay, so the first groove.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lord Jesus. Thank you so much, Lord Jesus. For the many things you do. Thank you so much, Lord Jesus. We thank you, Lord. Sing it one more time.
From your 1 to your 4. So okay, so 1, you ghost note on your 2. So 1 ghost note, 2, then 3, 4. Then now you'll be going to your 1, and this was what I played. Dun, dun, dun. You understand? So dun, 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 dun. Okay, 5 6 5 6 1 2 1 2, then back to your 1. Okay, so you pluck back to your 1. Okay, this is a very steady bass line you can use for the start. Okay, so 1 2 5 da, 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 da. So 1, that was what I played. So 1 6 1 2 2 5 to my 5 progression. So you pluck on 1 6 1 2, your octave 2, then 2, then your 5. Then now you'll be going to your 1 again. So now you'll be going to your 1 again. So 2 5 da, 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 da. You understand? So 2 5 6 7 5 7 1. Okay, so done. So when you've done playing your 1 as your octave, then you continue from your 2, because from your 1 you'll be going to your 2 3 and your 4. So 1, then you ghost note on your 2. Remember that 2 3, then 1 4, slide to your 4 1. You understand? Okay, so now 2 and 5. So I did something like this. So okay, so you can do it this way. That is 6 2 6 2, then to your 5 3 4 5. Okay, so you play 2 3 4 5 1 2 5 6 7 1 3 4 5 1 2 5 6 7 1. So Oluwamio, I did something like this. So if you want to start the song again, so it's like 6 7 1 1 3 4. You understand? So you start from 6 7 1 1 3 4. You understand? So the groove, let's end. Dun, 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 dun. So 6 7 1 5 5 1. So I played the 5 2 times. So 5 5 1 2 3 4. You understand? 6 7 1 5 5 1 2 3 4. Then now back to my 1 progression. 5 6 1 2 1. The same as the normal one we played earlier. Okay, so 1 dun dun dun, that is your 2 and 5. So when you play your 1, 5 6 2 5. Okay, so now you're going to your 3 5 and 4. So dun, 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 dun. Okay, 5 6 5 4 3 5 1 4. Okay, so this was how I played it. So 5 6 5 4 3. Okay, 4 5 1 4. Okay, so 4. Okay, just the same as the first one. 6 2 6 2 3 4 5 1 2 5 7 1. Okay, so now let's jump into the second groove.
Thank you so much, oh. Thank you so much, Lord Jesus. Oh, na, na, oh, na, na. Thank you so much, Lord Jesus. For the many, many things you do. Thank you so much, Lord Jesus. We thank you, Lord. Thank you. Sing it one more time. Olúwa mi, oh. Olúwa mi, oh, Duga. Mo dúpẹ́, Baba. Oh, na, 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 na. Mo dúpẹ́, Baba. Hey! With your hands lifted.
So here you really need to work on your ghost notes. Okay, and we'll be using the root and octave and the note in between them. Okay, so it goes like the same progression. That is from your 1 to 4. So remember this bass line. Okay, 1 5 5 1 1 1 5 5 1 1. So 1 1 5. Then hit your 5 again. 1 5 5. Then your octave 1 will be 2 times 1 1. So now 3 and 4. You do the ghost note 3 times before you hit your 3. Then what you did on your 1, that same pattern, do it on your 4. Just the same. Okay, that is 4 1 1 4 4. You understand? Okay. So when you play for 1 4 4, you'll be going to your 1 again. So bam 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 bam. So you do a ghost note on your 5. 2 1 5 5 1 1. You understand? So you take it slow. You understand? Okay, now to your 5. So when you play 1 1, then to your 5 3 4 5, then that's baseline you applied on your 1 and 4, you do it on your 5. Okay, that is 5 2 2 5 5. Then back to your 1. So I did something like that. So dun, dun, dun. So 5 6 7 5 1. So you should learn this if you're going to your 1. So dun, 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 dun. That is now we are now bringing 2 3 4. Okay, so you play 3 ghost notes. 2 3 4. Okay, 2 3 4 1 1 4 4. Now to your 5. So 1 2 2 1 2 2, then 2 5. Then you apply that bass line. 2 2 5 2 2 5 5. Then back to your 1. So this is the lick. You'll be coming back to your 1. So you should put this lick in mind that 5 1 dun, dun, then your 5 1. You descend from your 4 4 3 2 1 4 3 2 1, then 6 5 4 3 2 1 6 5 2 1. Then you continue. You understand? same groove. So down, 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 down. Then to your 5. So what I played it was 3 5 1 4. The first groove where the progression was 3 5 1 4. So the groove you can groove on that progression is 5 6 5 4 2 3. Then you play 6 5 5 1 6 5 5 1. Then 5 1. Then 1 4. You continue the groove. You understand, okay? So 1 2 2 6 2 5 2 2 5 5 5 6 7 5 1 dun, 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 dun. You can even apply the lick. So now let's dive into the third groove bass line, and the third lick we can apply to that bass line, okay? So so it goes like this. It's very simple. What's the pattern you apply on that one, you do it to all the progression, okay? Then you bring in the lick. So 1 1. So now you're using your root and octave. 1 1. Then you play 7 flat. 1 1. Then to your 4. So any progression you are, let's say we're on root, you count two note backwards. So that is where you be sliding, or you'll be doing an open string to hit that your next root note. You understand? Okay, so then to your 4 4 4, you have your 3 flats and your 4, then back to your 1. Now you'll be sliding. Now you're going to the 5, so you start from your 4. So remember that if you are playing on a key that is G, your 7 flat, you slide from there. You understand? So that was the lick. You understand? So 4 5 5 5 5. Then you play the lick back to your 1. Okay, so you take it slow. 5 4 3 2 4 3 2 1. Then 1. Then you continue the groove. Okay. You understand? Okay, so you just need to take it slow. So when I play the then you start 1 3 4 5 1. You understand? Okay. You understand? So you understand? Okay, so download the song, groove with it very well, practice with it very well. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.